So now we will perform the class B power amplifier. So this is the trainer kit for performing class B amplifier. So this is the pre-amplifier section, this is the push-pull amplifier section. So according to the diagram, this is the circuit diagram. So according to this diagram, we will make the connection. So the pre-amplifier stage is the pre-amplifier stage that will be connected to the push-pull amplifier. So we will now make the connection. This is the input side. Input side we will apply the input sinusoidal signal. This is for input signal. And then this emitter will be connected with the capacitor and resistor. The 18 kilo ohm will be connected to the transformer T2. Then another 18 kilo ohm will be connected to the other end of the transformer T2. So according to the circuit diagram or wiring diagram, we have connected the H cords. Now we will apply the input signal. The input is a sinusoidal signal produced by the function generator. This is the input signal produced by the function generator, which is a sinusoidal signal. Now we will apply this input signal to the input of the class B amplifier. So this is the input side. We will connect the signal across the input side. This is the input signal of 2 volt. So we have applied the input signal. Now let's make the power on. Now we'll check the output. So the input is the upper one is the input. It is of 2 volt amplitude. The lower one is the output signal. As we know, the class B amplifier produces distorted output due to crossover distortion. So this is the distorted output produced by the class B amplifier. This is due to improper switching of the transistor. So this is the distorted output produced by the class B amplifier. But we can easily check that in case of input the amplitude is 2 volt, but in case of output the amplitude is more than the input, because the multiplier here is the 20 volt and it crosses 3 division. So it crosses 3 division and the multiplier is 20 volt. So that means the amplitude is around 60 volt. So the for input signal of 2 volt amplitude we can get the output of 60 volt, because it crosses 3 division and the multiplier itself is 20 volt. So multiplier itself is 20 volt and the division is 3. So around 60 volt is the output amplitude and the input is 2 volt amplitude. So we can, from this input volt and output voltage, we can calculate the gain of the amplifier. So this is the distorted output produced by the class B amplifier. So this crossover distortion can be minimized using class AB amplifier. If you use AB amplifier, so this can be minimized. So this is all about class B amplifier.